Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 14th of April 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what do you need to know as we head into a new week here? Gold prices so far this week, they are up 10%. They've broken out to 7-year highs. Gold spot price has broken out to $1,730 per ounce. Gold futures price has broken out to $1,780, only $20 now off that Goldman Sachs target that we discussed previously of $1,800 per ounce for gold. Now, I mentioned this before that we had 2 trades running on gold. One of those we banked last week for 2,000 points. We've again increased the amount banked on one of our positions this week for another 1,000 points. So we've now banked 3,000 points here over the last week for gold. We've mentioned it before, extraordinary times that we're seeing right now provide really great opportunities for fast profits in a matter of just a number of days right now. So the sorts of trades that might take you several months to generate an equivalent amount of profit in the markets, at the moment we're seeing that happen with just a matter of days. So that's again why you want to make sure at the moment that you're taking advantage of the volatility, these unprecedented opportunities in the market. It was only just 3 weeks ago that gold was trading at $1,450 per ounce, and now it's trading at $1,730. So that's almost a 3,000 point increase, or a $300 move to the upside here for gold just in a matter of 3 weeks. Absolutely incredible. I hope many of you have taken advantage of this, certainly from the feedback that we get at the Gold and Silver Club. Many of you that watch our reports have been able to capitalize. So with that, I congratulate you. We saw last week again the Federal Reserve increase quantitative easing, providing a 2.3 trillion package to the financial markets. And with that, of course, that set a rocket underneath the price for gold. We saw immediate breakout last week, Thursday, breaking out to 7-year highs, with further follow through this week. And just the first 2 days of the week so far, gold is up 10%. So it's definitely worth being on top of the latest news, and that will of course help you get a further edge with your trades. Now, not only that, hedge funds and money managers in the latest week, they've increased their net long positions, they've decreased their sell short positions alongside gold breaking out. We've also seen platinum have a significant breakout back above $1,800 per ounce, which puts our position from $1,675 per ounce up 1,250 points at the moment. Platinum, incredible move to the upside as well. And now silver is starting to pick up momentum here as well, breaking above the $15.50 zone. And we're continuing to see some good support come into that market. The gold silver ratio has been breaking down. We'll go into silver in more detail on Silver Asset of the Day. So really, what do you need to know as we go into a new week here? Again, be mindful that each time we see the Federal Reserve increase their quantitative easing, and each time we're seeing new stimulus packages from the Federal Reserve, this is having a very direct impact in causing strength with the precious metals. Gold is getting the safe haven bid. It's currently trading above 7-year highs right now. So you want to be very mindful of that and be on the right side of the trades. Now, at some point, we are going to see the precious metals come off their top. And with that, no doubt it will provide a great range-bound opportunity, because very simply, gold is a great market to trade in both directions, on the long side and the short side. When we saw the sell-off going back to the beginning of March, the acceleration to the downside was extremely fast too. So you can capitalize on, of course, the sell short side and the long side as well. Now, you know our positioning, we remain long on gold, and I'm wanting to catch the top here with a view to, once we've banked the top of the move, to then look for some profit taking, the usual correction that can happen, especially as we progress throughout the month of April. I'm still long though, so I haven't reversed position. We haven't banked the remainder of our trade. We still have some exposure to gold. In fact, the ranges that we're looking at for this week have already been achieved. The breakout that we've seen, over a 10% move to the upside. So really, I'm watching gold very carefully at these levels. 4 signs of exhaustion. Once I see that, I'll take a bit more profit off the table. Again, I'm mindful of the 1800 level, which will be a very magnetic level for the futures market. Right now, you've got gold futures trading at $1,780 per ounce, whereas you've got spot price trading at $1,730. So there's about a $50 difference between that right now. So I want to see whether the futures market can break out to 1800 this week. If it does, that's where we will likely take further profit off the table, and then look out for short-term signs of exhaustion in order to capitalize on more range-bound trade and potential move that we could get to the downside if we do see profit taking. So with that, that's been Gold Asset of the Day, and of course I wish you good trading.